Hi everyone, great to have you here. I'm on a brand new permission today. Got about 11 acres, fairly rough land, bit of pasture over the top, all sorts going on. I've got down there Matthew with me, just about to see him down there. So we're both out, both going to give it a try. Fingers crossed, love a new permission, no idea what's here. As far as we know, it's never been detected before, so high hopes. Got the camera on, get back to you when we find anything. See you soon. Okay, right then, got Matthew down there, hopefully you can see him, ready to go. Fire this up, then I'll get my gloves on. Noise cancelling, get him around here. That's still a dirty screen, isn't it? Nice if you could see that. Let's see how we go. Okay, channel 10. Notched in my usual mode I use. I think they call it the Roman Villa or something. Go on, Matthew's already got himself a coin.
I think. It's flat. I didn't bring my toothbrush, so.
This is Matthew's first real find, this is.
Let's see what we're looking at here.
No idea, it's quite thin. I'm thinking it's quite old. It does look copper because it's quite corroded. Yeah, I don't think we can tell on that one, so we'll probably have to wait till we get back, see if we can clean it up a bit more. Excellent. Hey.
Good start.
Hey. Straight in.
How far do you reckon that is? Like 20, 30 metres?
That's brilliant, that is. That's a brilliant start, mate. Well done. $10.32, that sounds nice. Not very deep. Right, and the surface actually. Just check it's not actually a surface thing. I think it might be something just dropped on the surface. Odd. Okay, it's just ease a little bit out then. We've got something to work with. Do it as a flap and put it back. Ah, look at that. How strange. British Leyland. The Yale key. Wow. Ah, the things you find. That's mad. That's mad. Look at that. British Leyland key fob and a Yale key. Leyland Tractors. Ah, let's have a word with the landowner then. You might have lost that one. What else is here? Something else as well, look. Ah, more keys. Big key. Wow. Okay, let's get the trowel. I think that's probably it. I think that's just the spade it's getting there. That's very cool. That is very cool already. Look at that for a key. Wow. Nice. Not what I was expecting at all. Might be a chunk of metal. Okay, that's there. That link is very deep. Might be a big chunk of metal. Got some roots on this bracken. Goodness me. I think it's still in, but there's some big roots here. Let's see if I can dig a bit more then. We'll never get past these roots, will we? Ah, it's still down there. It's right there though, whatever it is. Oh man, how are we going to get that out? Oh no, that feels like a big metal plate actually. That big lump of iron. Very big lump of iron. Should really have discriminated that out, shouldn't it? There. So it looks so shallow then. Got stuff on. Maybe. I think it's just a bit of plate or farm machinery. So it's a 2730, 4 inches. Not great numbers, but first time here. It's another plate of steel. Could be more of those rocks. Still in there. Let's have a look. If it's really deep, I'll leave it. Ah, look at it. Are we just full of rubbish? Yeah, we are. Oh, blimey. Big nut and bolt. It's all going to be viaduct building stuff then. 1407. This is what we want. People come and sit under the power lines. About 6 inches down there, about there. Nice signal. Run out of strength. Tried to do a deep one because it said it was relatively deep. Let's roll it over there and see what we got. Shouldn't be far off the depth now. Better numbers. Staying off to that side. Okay. Oh, that looked. I know it's actually not. I thought I saw it. It's in the cloud. Don't hold it in that hand because you've got a ring on. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, is it a bottle top? It's actually a very old looking bottle top actually. There's some age in that. 132. Gosh, that's a good signal if it was real. 8 inches down. Totally. About there. Quite deep. Had a bottle top. Well, when there's bottle tops, that means there's people sitting and drinking and stuff falling out the pockets. Still a 130 that is. 130 is a really good signal. 130 is in gold zone. Yeah, I think it's rebar. All right. Yeah. There you are. Don't know. Probably some sort of cable clamp or something.
Yeah.
Some weird stuff in here, isn't there? Too close to the fence. Oh, there's a gateway here. That's nice. I wanted to go by that big old tree. Can't beat a big old tree high up. Don't know if you can see. Look at that view. I'll try and tilt my head back. Look at that. So why wouldn't you want to come up here and sit under that tree and empty your pockets? 2032, that's a nice. I'm going to a 12 and 11, 11, 27, 13, 27, 6 inches. Far and in the right place under the tree. Oh, nice soil. Nice soil. Look at that, falling apart. It's out. Fingers crossed. Oh god, it's a piece of wire, isn't it? Ah, best signal. How can the best signal be? Piece of wire. 1529. Does actually say it's a few inches down. So it's either that or it's something solid but decent signal again. Gotta be something. Still in there, giving a 1229 still. But you've got to dig them, because this time it's not another piece of wire, it's a coin. It's not. Still in the hole. Deep though, so it must have been ploughed this, mustn't it? Have the wire so deep. shiny. It's shiny. And it's long. $12.06, $12.09, very stable. Ear offence. Oh, strange tufty ground here. Okay, I'm going to have to flap this one then. Still in. So have a look then.
I think you can see something inside this bump as well. Sticking out there and in there.
Oh yeah, it's a big chunk in it.
That's what I thought.
I think it is just yeah, it might be melted around something.
To protect it?
No, just as it's been melted. It's cool though, isn't it? Looks cool. Nice, big piece as well. Big piece that is. Foiled again. Blooming heck. I was hoping there wasn't any here.
You never escape it.
Nah, it's quite a big bit. I might as well get it out in case we find the rest. Loads of it, look. Huge piece. Gave a good signal. 905. Oh, quite deep. Oh, a bit of all sorts of numbers. Low, quite deep. Lots of them. Variation, but all low. So, promising sort of things, but I could see what looked like a path across here. Again, contours of the land. Paths always follow the contours. So when you've got hilly area, people will naturally have a path on the level bit. Still decent numbers, showing quite deep. Hope it's not another piece of blooming foil. Or iron. Still in. Still decent numbers. Pretty deep though. Yeah, length of my pointer in already. I've got the feeling it might be deeper still. Oh, it's picking up over here actually now. Is that just in the side? Yeah, okay. Ooh! Ooh! Look what we've got here! Is it a button? Oh, I saw that and I thought silver. I thought silver, it's a pewter button. Looks like it might have something on it. Ah, oh, you bugger. That looked really good. Looked really good. Because I just catapulted it. And it's gone. Oh dear, oh dear. First real find and I've lost it. Unbelievable. Yeah, reasonable numbers. Might be another button. See if I can keep it this time for a little bit longer than the last one. God, can you imagine if that being my first hammered and I just threw it away? And yes, I still haven't had a hammered yet. Twelve, 11s, 13. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. Okay, so how deep was that saying? That's the spade. Okay, might just be on the back edge of that hole then. Front edge even. It's in the clod. I love it in the clod. Is it in the clod? Yep, it's here somewhere. What is it? It's not that, is it? Is it? What's that? That's a 2-2. Very odd looking 2-2 because it looks like it's got the end left in it. Yet squashed. Strange little shell that. There you go, found something. Yay, back there somewhere. How deep? 16, 14, very repeatable. 10, 13. Okay, definitely digging that one. About 6 inches. Oh God, I'm gonna need to sharpen my spade. I like to use a proper spade when I'm doing farmer's pasture with animals in. Try and make a really neat cut. It's in the clod, so we're out. I was expecting it deeper. Let's have a look. What fell out over here, has it? No. It's working. That's a big worm, look at him. Good morning, Mr. Worm. Go down that hole. I don't risk injuring you. It's definitely in this. Yeah, the pinpointer's not getting it, so I'm going to have to do a split the clod job. Ugh. Is it in that one? No, is it in that one? Yes. Is it in that? No, down the hole. Is it in that? Oh, okay. Is it out? That is. That just a bit of foil. Definitely that. Thinking foil. Obviously like it to be a squashed up gold coin. No, it's got very modern regular pattern on there, look. Bottle top or something maybe. Very light as well, so. Ah well, never mind. 11.46, that's decent. Sorry?
The
I know. 11:46, spot on repeatable, that's a good sign. About 4 inches down. If you get a signal that's exactly the same time after time, that's usually really good. No, it's not a shotgun shell.
Pipe of some sort?
Yeah, looks like it. $11.30, very strong, very steady, very nice. Right there. Right there, but I can't quite see it. Sounding a bit large now. Back on the lead. Big old slice of lead that is.
Honda dissapearing. Well, it's a Honda, so it could be a dissapearing. How do you solar panels? Go scare off some sheep for a bit.
Oh, it's gone. I don't know, I'm thinking it's rubbish because it stopped showing up. It's a rivet. Little gold rivet. Unfortunately not gold. Nice signal, relatively deep. Obviously right in the middle of the sheep poo. Clear a bit off. Bit of shooting going on around here. Don't know if you caught that. Somebody will be having pheasant for tea. Or rabbit. Still a nice signal, that is. But we've had a few of those, haven't we, today? It just didn't stay that way. inside there. Out. Oh no, I know what it is. It's a shotty. First one today. Just saying somebody's shooting. As we're saying they're shooting, it's a shotty. Look at that. Perfect timing. Nice signal, deep. Got in sheep poo now, aren't I? Lovely. Still in the hole, still a nice signal. It's quite deep. We'll see. See if I can get to it. Down here. Okay, bit of spade. Oh, there we go. Wow. Now that's what you call a button, isn't it? Hey? Wow. I think that's what they call a dandy button. It was so big. It's a beaut. Look at the shine on that. No maker on it or anything, so just quite an old one. Clasp broken. But that's a beaut. Good signal then. I'll keep this one. Be a shame to throw it away, wouldn't it? Wow, what a whopper. What a whopper. Nice, I had one in the clod for a bit. Come on then, baby, let's finish the day off with a good one. Where are you? Where are you? Just in there somewhere. Hammered would do me. Doesn't have to be gold. Gold would be nice, but I'm still waiting for that first hammered. Or was that just fell out? I think it might have fell out. That after all that.
What's that?
It's a very nice, fancy little button, I think. The ad fell back in. Now look, domed one.
I might be able to see a tiny bit of pattern on that as well.
Yeah, I'm not going to risk brushing it. Didn't end well last time I did that. else, because they're so thin and wavery. Oh, it sounded like. She sounds better now it's out. Oh, I don't know. Still quite near the ferrous zone, that is. No, that's iron, if ever I heard iron, that is. Big old washer, look, or something. Oh well, you want me to see what I think? I say it's in the clod. I say it's a 1509.
Is that good?
Halfway down the clod.
Very good.
Yeah, not bad. Might be a button, but yeah, it's a decent signal.
Don't mind the button.
It's right there. There it is, that looks like a coin.
Yep.
Coin or a button?
Coin.
Hey, he's on the money.
No button.
He's on the buttons. Sneaky little things, aren't they? Still cool. Still cool. Have a look.
I think there's still a little bit of pattern on there.
Let's have a look at the back. Oh yeah, classic pewter sort of button. Nice. Nice. Right, that'll do for today, I think. Okay, so here's Matthew.
Hello.
Yeah, not a bad little trip. Got a few bits, got some buttons. Matthew's got a coin. We'll clean that up, see what it is. We'll clean all the other bits up and do a little gallery at the end. So hope you've enjoyed that. Not bad. Want to do the little orchard near the end on our next trip. So we'll be back and we'll do it a bit more. Take it easy. There's a lot of fields to cover there, and we've barely scratched the edge of it really. And the one edge was too scratchy, so we won't do that bit again because it's definitely got stuff running underneath it. But it's been good, enjoyed it. Lots in there, I think. Down near that stream, down near the orchard. And yeah, we'll give it lots more goes. And we'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell, do all the rest, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye now.